Okay, we're setting our biggest lintel to date. I was out of town when they set the other one, which was smaller than this one, so I'm glad that I'm here to get to see this one being put into position. Got the crane. They're using the stronger part of the boom for this, what is over a 22-foot piece of Dac-Art. Mike told me it was the largest piece that Dac-Art has ever made, and they've got each end of it being held onto by a guy on the ground to help keep the orientation the way they want it. We're putting it in place. We've got Don in the shorts and one of our Mexican helpers up on top to set this in notches, and well, not exactly notches, but to set it in the, well, it's in a slot that it goes into above the garage. Turned kind of chilly today. It was 70 degrees yesterday. You can see how slowly Mike is lowering this. He's being really careful, thank goodness. Well, now he's coming back up a little bit. Don's got a walkie-talkie to communicate with Mike, who's in the cab of the link belt 22-ton crane. Got pieces of rebar sticking out of the end of this piece of concrete. I asked Mike if Ted had a mold big enough for this one, and he said yeah, he had to make one. So that's a good thing. So now he'll be ready for everybody else's 22-foot lintels. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon on a Friday afternoon. Be a great way to finish up the week. Although these guys do tend to work over the weekends if we have nice weather, which we have had mostly nothing but nice weather since we started this project. Wow, look at that. Is that great or what? He is really doing a wonderful job of keeping that thing level and putting it right where it goes. Compared to the weather they've been having in most of the parts of the United States this week, we've just had it like paradise. This is January the 11th. Got 4 more days to get in our income tax estimated payments. I think Ted will enjoy seeing this video to see how his beam that he has so carefully crafted was handled. See, okay, they're trying to get those pieces of rebar that are sticking out up there to go into that slot that's on the Dac-Art block. We'll walk a little closer and see if I can show that. Yeah. Wow. This is a bit of a learn as you go process. He's running up there with a grinder real quick. And he's going to cut something off real fast. Sun's out. Beautiful thing. Here's some blocks we haven't used yet. Some of these I think are new blocks that have just been brought to the job. They're all tagged Wilder. Mike's been making trips over to Dac-Art in Theodore to tag blocks for us. I kind of like that green growing on the side of that one there. Alright. This will probably be the longest little movie I've ever made with this camera. Not high resolution, but I think you'll get the idea. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look how level that is. Look at that crack of light going through there. That's really a beautiful thing to me. See that little sliver of light between those two long lintels? Okay, well I'm going to turn the camera off because from here on out they'll just be sort of back, well, let's see. They'll be, I see they've got a shim under that one. They'll be doing just really minute little adjustment before they unhook it. They seem to be pleased. They're getting ready to unhook everything. Wonderful. There we go. They're going to unhook